Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my routine for my no makeup look using only concealer. It's really easy and it's perfect for my girls that don't love wearing too much makeup. So stay tuned and I'll show you guys how it's done. Guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is moisturize the face with some coconut oil. And you want to do this because you're doing like a very natural look, so you want your face to have that glow. So because I don't have a really dark concealer, I'm gonna mix this concealer with this concealer that I use to contour to kind of give it a little tint to match my skin a little bit better. So even though I added coconut oil to moisturize, I'm gonna add a little bit of primer because I have large pores on my cheeks, so I wanna fill those up. Okay, so I'm gonna use this concealer that matches my complexion. Everything will be listed in the description box below. So I'm applying it very sparingly, and then I'm gonna apply it with my blending sponge. And the reason why I'm using my sponge is because the sponge does not apply too much product onto your face, and that's the look that I'm going for. So I'm just applying it on the inner section of my face. So I have like dark spots around my lips and my nose, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more concealer. So now I'm gonna add a lighter concealer under my eyes, and I'm just gonna go in with a little bit, and I'm just gonna put it directly under my eyes like this. A little bit on my chin and on my forehead. So I'm gonna use this concealer brush. It's the Morphe E57, and I'm just gonna press that in. See how that lightened up the face? You just want to make just a little circular shape on the chin, not too much. So I'm using the Fit Me loose finishing powder in dark. Wait, actually that's not what I'm using. Some Maybelline Fit Me loose finishing powder, and this is in the shade medium deep. And I'm gonna mix it a little bit with the dark number 40 dark in the same brand, because I don't want my highlight to be too popping, you know? So I'm using the Fit Me loose finishing powder in dark. Wait, actually that's not what I'm using. Some Maybelline Fit Me loose finishing powder, and this is in the shade medium deep. And I'm gonna mix it a little bit with the dark, number 40 dark, in the same brand, because I don't want my highlight to be too popping, you know? So I'm just gonna press this on with this Morphe brush. And this is the M5. It's very lightweight, so it doesn't put on too much product. So I'm not gonna use any cream contour. I'm just gonna jump in with the powder, with the bronzer, actually, to just give my face some color. So because this is a very natural look, I'm not going to be adding any lashes. I'm just going to be using mascara and a little bit of eyeliner, and that's it.
Lashes. You see the difference? Mind and body just can't agree on what I should do when I don't feel free. You're not holding me back, I know. We're young and we never take things slow. I lose my self-respect.
So that's the end of today's video. This is the final look. This is the look that I normally go for when I don't feel like doing too much to my face. I just want to let my face breathe while still looking really cute and clean and presentable. I usually do this when I'm running to the store, on weekends, when I'm doing chores outside of the house, stuff like that. So yeah, that's it. Really simple, very minimal makeup, and you still look glowy and your skin still looks nice. Also, there should be a link below of me talking about this balm unit. You guys definitely want to check that out. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and comment in the section below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.